room.
That's in there.
Well, I
But
don't
those,
know if I call it a mess, but
those are the best ones right there. You wouldn't think of it.
Which one? The trip back. US
Now turn the shoulder in.
shoulder in, yeah.
Don't twist away. Keep facing towards your arm. Crap. Okay, don't look away. Keep looking towards your arm.
Emma Clark. It's from Sweden.
I don't know.
The long. You got.
He isn't. She didn't move here till 2007.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, she's.
Oh, it's.
What?
Where is she moved to now?
She lives in Missouri.
Yeah, surprised me.
But as soon as you catch him, you got him, right? World champion in 2002 and
That was quick, man.
videos. Dave and hey Dave, we gotta wear him out. I don't have a chance. I can't do anything with Josef's wrist. Right-handed, have him close. His wrist is iron.
Just
Hey Josef.
left-handed, just keep hitting.
Josef, would you say Minnesota?
Yeah, Johnson.
And Dave has a strong wrist. Me and you have strong wrists. Lupkeys has a strong wrist. Marty, I think he needs to work on his wrist till it's probably his weakness.
You go that high?
Use two hands. Hey Dave. Should we
this is nuts, man. Cool.
Ouch.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, it hurts the thumb. Just like cutting off blood.
Circulation?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It feels weird, like you haven't done it in so long.
Your hand feels small today, I don't know why.
It's probably cold.
Ready? Go ahead.
I'm doing a Gary Robert style, Josh. Look. Doesn't he always hold it like this?
Yeah. Dang, you got me there. Let's try again.
Yeah, I kept playing.
Make it a 360 view.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Josef, what is this?
What's what?
Remember? That's why I did that pull for the hungry.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I was gonna come
The
back.
final match.
Who do you do it? Who do you do
It
it
was
to?
Eric Cunningham, this guy named Eric Cunningham, and I was like this, and then I winked at the crowd. So
What,
I
did
was
it-
trying to be like this.
Didn't Justin Rhodes?
No, what I do, I winked and then I went like this, and put them down at the same time.
Justin Rhodes was like, oh, what the fuck?
So I was holding them, I thought someone might think it was serious, some serious match. Like I was trying. That's how your arm wrestles.
Dave's gonna get him like half an inch from the pad. And...
Oh, it's that.
Are you doing ready to go, Josef, or no?
You guys want to ready?
Go to the other side.
Alright, this is gonna be fair now. Alright.
You don't break it off.
Can't
Are you giving him a fair start, or are you letting Dave start high?
Fair. Has to be fair, Dave.
Dave's never gonna start with his knuckle showing.
Alright, fine. We'll see. You guys want that? I'm gonna straighten him out. When I say go, you guys go. Ready, go.
Stay up there, Dave. Don't get hurt, Dave. And he has a strong hand, doesn't he? Left.
It's a big hand.
I'm never gonna get it.
But hey, aren't his fingers strong though?
Working with sandpaper or something.
That's what he does, dude. Did you see his deck? Dude, did you see his deck? That's how he are.
You guys want to ready, go? You guys want to ready, go?
Yeah.
Alright, so needs to be ready. Ready, go.
Whoa! He got him all the way down to the low pad. That was in the pin?
That was a pin, I think.
But you keep going.
You guys go.
Dude, Dave, you're never gonna give him the hook.
Oh, he's strong.
You can't top roll him at him?
Yes, he's gonna
Serious?
walk, right?
You can't top roll him?
Can you go right?
Yeah, I can.
Oh.
Or Dave
What's your
wants
call?
it to go.
What's your call?
I gotta wait. I gotta rest.
What's your call? What's your call?
I don't have one.
What's your call,
Well,
man?
you guys-
Give us your call.
I got Dave on this one.
Me too.
Oh, yeah.
Me too.
Try Alex. He's gonna get.
Dave, you scared of Jason? Dave, I got $1 on you.
I'll be wrestling.
Alright.
Yeah, sure.
Who you got here, Josef? I got
Yeah.
Alex.
in the hook.
Yeah.
No.
Just be careful. Don't hurt each other. Damn, Jason. Jason, you need some endurance, man. You
What are you
got,
talking about? You've been going right after each other?
dude. We've been going for like an hour, and he's got here. He's only arm wrestled like 5 times.
Yeah, that's true. Well, that's the king of the table.
Ready?
He's got like a 5-minute break while you beat up his dad.
Just
Get,
think,
get
Close
your,
to your body.
stay close to your arm. Keep looking. Move this shoulder in.
just think he could arm wrestle his dad every day. And
Careful.
yeah, you should
Careful.
definitely